Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lemo, Big Kahuna Trading Club, and got a stock I've been watching for several weeks on this pullback from the mid-cup TSS. Looks pretty good from a cycle perspective, and even though it's in a downtrend pullback right now, this one could turn fast based on the price action and the fact it's pretty close to that psychological price point, that key $20 PPP. But I'll break down the cycles when we get back. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Also, we're looking for talent, maybe someone who's not locked into their own way of trading and is open to exploring a new outside-the-box form of cycle-based trading, which we use to swing trade equities and day trade indexes, SPY, QQQ, and futures. If you have any interest in that, DM me through our social media or email me at paul@bigkahunatradingclub.com and I'll give you more information. Okay, looking at the current market rating, we're still holding the A+. It's an A5 based on the moving average count. You can find out more information about that at bigkahunatradingclub.club/market-rating. Okay, getting back to BTSG. This is a kind of a classic Darvas stock if you've followed the Darvas system, where you have, the left-hand side of that cup forming. And this was a at least 2 times the 52-week low historical high, and now it's pulling back in the cup. And so what you have is you have a couple of key psychological price points over there. You got the $25 PPP, found resistance at before pulling back, and on the lows you had the $15 PPP, and over here you got the breakout, probably going to have elevated support, the cycle price squeeze coming in. It's right dipping below the $20 PPP right now at a TD6 cycle. It looks to be, TD6 cycle, 1 month cycle. And so if you look at the wave count here, let's look at that wave 1 down here. Remember, we normally get 3 waves in pullbacks, TSS cycle pullbacks. So you got wave 1, you got wave 2, and we're heading down to wave 3 inside that $20 PPP. So I would not be surprised to see it bottom pretty quickly. You can see over here, same deal. We got wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and this final one tried to take out that low, just wicked on that candle there. So we'll be looking at this for bottoming action next couple days. But the cycles on it, first cycle was a TD9, it's a 50-day cycle, 2.5 month. And the second cycle is the TM-3. It was actually inside of this trend line, a little bit over 3.5, which is TM2 cycle right here, and a little bit short of the 5-month, but the 5 to 7 month cycle was inside of that line. So TM3 sets right there, and get a higher high in the cup. That's a good sign of strength. And if you get your higher low, you get the price squeeze coming off of the cycle pullback. So you get a TD9 cycle, you get a TM3 cycle. If you get a higher low here, you have a cycle-based price squeeze coming in. Again, probably at one of those PPP zones, more than likely near the $20 PPP. So we may be within days of bottoming on this. And if you wanted to get in this stock, you probably can just scale in based on a breakout of a 5-day high, a 10-day high, and 25-day high. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 position. So that's a way to keep yourself from overcommitting to it if the bottom is not quite in yet. But it's acting very well on the pullback so far. And when we get back, we'll break down some price targets based on the cycles. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkahunatradingclub.club/lingo. Okay, looking at some price targets based on the cycles. The cycle off the low is a TM4 cycle. It's a 10 to 13 month cycle. It's a little bit past this fractal right here. It's set about right here. So once we get that set, the North Channel violation is 30-ish or so. And if it broke out from here, it'd be a 50% gain. And if it hit the TM4X, that would be 100% gain. And if it hit the TM42X, that would be 150% gain. And the 3X would be about a 200% gain. So just based on the left-hand side of the cup BMI and pretty orderly cup, there's pretty good chance that we're going to get a breakout PBC zone, and potentially the breakout of the PBC zone would be 200% target. So let's just say it did it in that $25 plus area. Now rounding up a little bit in that $27, $28 area. So 2 times 28, 56 plus 28 is 76, $84 or so. So this quite possibly, this may hit multiple extensions of the channel. TM-4 3X is $65, and the 4X is going to be up in that $75 area. So again, quality price action will dictate the potential for any stock based on cycles. So all you got to do is follow the cycles. You see a price squeeze setting up, and the bottoming action is pretty solid on pullbacks, then you can, usually count on a good move to the next cycle line. So looking pretty good. Again, this is BTSG Brightspring Health Services Inc. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.